Good morning, you guys. Alex here from Bulls and Bears, or Focus Alex from YouTube. And today we had some bad news, but somehow the market is still pushing up. And I'm glad to say that we're back. I managed to get my hands on another account on Weibo. I pretty much had to split my bigger account into two. Thanks to my spouse, I now have a second account on Weibo, so we are going to have plenty more trades now. I think we're going to have around 6 trades per week to show you guys, which is quite nice if you ask me. So I'm glad to be back. In terms of the market, I am a little bullish. That's my bias for today. But I'm bullish in the daily, in the micro time frame, and in the macro. If we look at the daily chart, so if we take a look at the daily chart on the S&P or the SPY, we're still downtrending, obviously. But like I mentioned before, in these downtrends, we have spikes. So we downtrend, we spike. And right now we're kind of just around this area right here, a really important area, in fact. It's been some form of support in the past, and I think it'll form some type of support today. It actually already did, where it says we're pretty much at 376. So we're right around this area right here. So we're climbing higher, obviously, which is a good thing. I took some short positions yesterday because I thought the news was going to be bad, which actually was bad, but surprisingly the market is not reacting like I would have liked it to. So we might be seeing a pullback right here. When the market opens, the market is going to open in about 7 minutes. So I'm looking for the pullback, and I'll potentially enter the pullback, and so hopefully we see an opportunity to go long. And I am probably going to be closing these trades here since they are short positions, and they're pretty much going against my bias for the intraday. So these were pretty much swing trades. I executed them yesterday, and I plan to exit today since that's not part of the plan. So that's going to be the game for today, looking for an opportunity for the long. I'm going to be looking at Nvidia, Meta, Tesla, Apple, other stocks like that. And hopefully everything goes good. Alright, so we're completely out of our positions already. We have everything we can to play for today. And the market is about to open in just about 1 minute, so let's see what we can find out of the opening gates. As of right now, I'm looking at Meta. I'm going to bring that up just in a second. I just would like to see how the S&P opens and show you guys how that opens, because we could potentially break this line down. So that's what I'm looking forward, actually. That's what I'm looking forward to. A potential break under this line, and then a failed breakout pretty much, and then a reversal. I mean, I could maybe play this short, but it's a little risky considering the market direction, and we're already pretty much up 1.6%. That's already a massive amount for the S&P. So let's just see how this first candle forms. Alright, so the market is coming down. It looks like we might be able to break below this line right here. So let's just see what happens from now on. And I'm actually interested in going short all out of the sudden. I really don't think this move is going to last very long. And I'm already looking at some relatively nice options right now that we could potentially trade off of. Although I am going to need to see some conviction here. Alright, I'm going to take a short position here. I actually bought an option, so it's not just any regular stock trade. Although we're not getting filled for some reason. We might have been a little late to this. Yeah, and I think we were pretty late, in fact. Although, let's see if we can get a back test, potentially. Nope, sadly we are not going to get a back test. The market is pretty much leaving us. Alright, well that's fine. Not really, but let's see if our initial plan works out. Maybe it'll come back up and we'll be going long instead of going short. We're trying to make the move upward, but it's not looking very strong, actually. So we might even see this pretty much come down all the way. Now I really don't want to go in right here because that'll be a little bit chasing, but if the price could come back up a little bit and then potentially come back down, I'd be interested in the area. But as of right now, it's a little chasing and it's a little too much for me. And that goes the same with the other stocks. They're pretty much just doing the same thing, kind of just going straight down and not really anything. Yeah, so this is what I'm trying to see right here. I'm trying to see if the price could come back up and potentially fell again, or if it could get up and make higher highs, then I'd potentially be going in long. So just a matter of you being able to read what the market is telling you, pretty much. But as of right now, it's telling me that it wants to come down, but I don't want to be chasing the stock either. So yeah, let's just wait and see. Alright, so again, we keep getting these red candles, which is pretty much not really convincing. I mean, we were coming back up, but the price came right back down. And that to me is still chasing. I want to see more green candles and then a potential breakdown down below the lows. This is pretty much chasing. I mean, if we take a look at Tesla. I mean, you really think I'm going to be going short down here? Not really. The price, I mean, this is not really a good opportunity to. Maybe in the first two candles I could have taken a short position here, but definitely not right now. So I'm going to keep a sharp eye on the S&P and see if we can find any potential entries. Yep, looks like it's leaving us behind the dust, and I still have not yet found any good opportunities, sadly, but I'll stay motivated and see if something will show. I mean, eventually something has to show, you have to think. Just be patient. Alright, so we might be able to find something right here with Nvidia. So yeah, this is what I'm looking for right here. So a potential break below. Let me just write down the entry for you guys. So that would be the ideal entry right there. I'm gonna try to find a good option for the stock right now. But at the same time, I'm also looking for the S&P to go a little up higher, take a little breath, and then come right back down. So that's going to be the plan for right now. So I'm just going to be keeping an eye on the S&P 500, seeing if it can recover a little bit, take a deep breath, and then come right back down. All right, so I'm just going to take a short here. I'm only going to buy one contract, and then maybe I'll buy another one once we actually get the break right here. And it might have left me actually, sadly, again. Jesus, let's see. All right, we're in. Let's try to get another one though. Alright, so now that we have this up, we can maybe enter a trade right here. So yeah, we're coming back up a little, which is always good to take a little breather. Let's see. I think I should show you guys the actual. Where's it at? Oh yeah, here it is. It came over here on this side. Alright, so this is pretty much the option right here. I don't know if it's ideal to show you guys both of them, but yeah, this is the option right here. So I'm gonna keep it over here on my other side and keep a close eye on that. But as of right now, Nvidia is spiking, which is not looking very good. But hopefully that's just a breather and we continue to come down. Alright, so I'm not really liking this. The Nvidia is just pretty much going sideways. And if we take a look at the S&P, it's going straight down. So this just means that Nvidia is relatively strong compared to the general market, which is not a good thing for us, unfortunately. Yeah, as you can see, the S&P, the general market, is pretty much coming down, straight down. And Nvidia, no bueno. It's pretty much going sideways right now, but hopefully we get the break that we wanted to in the area that we were looking forward to, which is right here. And I am going to be looking to add another contract as soon as we get the break. I'm not going to anticipate it because the general market is already, wow, what the, and just like that, things can move within a blink of an eye. My computer was obviously too slow to even capture that movement, but yeah. I'm going to see if I can get a, I'm just going to throw in, hold on. Yes, okay. So obviously it pretty much left us. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get that last contract unless we get it in the back. Oh no, we did get it. Yeah, we have two contracts. All right, so let's see if the market could continue to push down, and we'll be looking to take some profits, hopefully. All right, so Nvidia looks like it's coming down right now, but I don't know, it's kind of weird because it says that I'm down $2, which I know that I am not down $2. My computer is just pretty slow, unfortunately. But yeah, I'm pretty much ready to get out of my position. As you can see, I'm ready to sell. But I'm just gonna keep waiting and see if Nvidia can continue coming down. But as of right now, it's pretty much just staying around this area, which I do not like, because it pretty much broke this area right here, but it couldn't stay below. So I'm just gonna keep watching it. And as of the S&P, it's still trending lower. It did pull back a little, but I think we should be fine. Hopefully it continues coming lower and we take profits, but we shall see until then. Nvidia, good. It's coming down right now. Let's see. All right, we're coming down some more. Very nice, very nice. As of our options, they're not quite into our exit, so Nvidia is still pushing lower. The market is still making lower lows, so that's good for us. Never mind, it's coming back up, unfortunately. All right, we're spiking, you guys. Not looking too well. Hopefully the candle does not open. The next candle, hopefully the next candle does not open above this blue line. If it does, that's definitely worrisome, and I'm going to be taking a loss at around $60. So yep, I'm going to be getting ready to take a loss right now, actually. 0.33, 0.30. Not looking too well. The S&P is also trying to climb back up. We're really close to my stop loss right now. I have a sharp eye on the price right now. Hopefully it could cool down a little bit and it could come back down. Really important area that we're at right now, though. And unfortunately, it's not looking like it's gonna handle. All right, well, that was a little bit good. Not quite what I was looking for, but all right, well, we'll pause. All right, I don't know if I captured that, but I pretty much took a loss already. So I'm back to my original idea, though, of going long. Really nice pattern right here. See if we get a potential call option. I'm going to be... Alright, I'm going to get an option here. A contract, sorry. And if it could stay above there, I am going to be looking forward to adding. But as of right now, okay, we're looking good. We're looking good. $45. 55. All right, I'm gonna buy one right here. Buy another one. See if we get the fill, or did it leave us? And I think we're in. Yep, we're in 2 contracts again. This time for the long side, so we're not going short. We're at our initial plan to go long the S&P. The S&P looks like it's turning around, but yeah, we just have to keep a close eye on these stocks right now. The market is really volatile right now, but as of right now, we are down $60 for the day. All right, we're spiking, you guys, and I have my... wait, what is going on? .84, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I have my order out here ready to get out. Things are looking pretty nice though. Hopefully we could continue the momentum and we managed to get out with a profit here. All right, so things are cooling down a little, obviously. But just to show you guys the contract that I'm looking at is right here. I'm pretty much going to get out at 84, so it's $2 above the area that I'm at right now. So it's 0.54, sorry, 30 cents. So it's 0.54. I'm going to get out at 0.84. So yeah, for that, in order for that to happen though, the Nvidia needs to keep coming up. So let's just keep a close eye on these two. In fact, I may even put out my order already, just because these things can move really quickly. Yeah, so you can see I put on my order right here. So hopefully we can get filled. Let's see if we can actually. Obviously the Nvidia needs to come back up though. And as of right now, it looks like it's coming down. Let's take a look at it. And yeah, it's kind of cooling off, but let's see if we get filled right now. All right, so we're moving. We're moving a little bit. The option is not moving that much, but if we could get above 0.77, it's very likely that we'll hit our target. So let's see. Really good spike that we got right there. Yeah, so we might hit our target. Right now we're breaking 77. Let's see if we can hit our target right now. And I do realize that this might be a little complicated for you guys, but this is pretty much the contract that I'm trading, which is that it derives from the stock itself. And yeah, we definitely got out already. So that was really quickly. Obviously, my computer's probably too slow to even compress that, but we pretty much hit our target. Nvidia kept breaking up, really good. And in hindsight, obviously we should have stuck to our initial plan of going long, pretty much buying the stock. But the market was just looking like it was coming down too much. Unfortunately, Nvidia did not have the strength to come down as much as the S&P. But let's just see how everything played out right now. in terms of our P&L. Alright, so there you have it, you guys. These two trades in the middle, these two contracts, options, this one was pretty much one that I did a while ago, so it doesn't count. And this middle one, I don't really recall it, but it doesn't count either, for today at least. So we pretty much made this exact same thing. We're at break even right now. This was our short trade, which we lost $59, pretty much 60. And our long trade, which we gained $60 as well. So we're at break even. We're nowhere today, unfortunately, but yeah, I'm going to keep an eye, see if we can find any more potential longs so we could potentially get back in the green. Alright, so I just realized that the video has been going on for around 20 minutes, and that's well above my time for these videos. And yeah, obviously I'm watching NVIDIA right now and it's taking off really nicely, so but that's fine. We executed the trade perfectly. I was not in any way trying to make more than we lost, but I was definitely trying to cover my loss, which I did successfully, and we're pretty much at break even for today, which I am happy with. Unfortunately, we did not make money for you guys today or for myself, but that is completely fine. I 100% prioritize the market over YouTube, so but I still try to give you guys the best content that I can. And yeah, hopefully today I did not make money, I did not lose money, but hopefully you guys still enjoyed watching me execute these trades, trying to understand the market signal that is showing me. In the beginning, I did think that I guess the lesson today is just to stick to your initial plan, which was to go long. But unfortunately, I did see that the market was coming down, which I was right about. I mean, if we take a look at the S&P, it came down pretty nicely as well. But unfortunately, NVIDIA, we pretty much just picked the wrong stop for today. Can't show you guys, but I mean, yeah, here's S&P. Obviously, it actually did a really big retracement. So, but unfortunately, the stock that we picked did not follow it. But that's fine. That's just the way that the market is sometimes. And I'm happy with today. Overall, 9 out of 10. 9 because we should have stuck to our initial plan, but that's fine. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to stay positive, you guys. That's it for today. See you guys on Monday next week. Hopefully, I do have some trades left, so yep. Looking forward to that. Stay focused.